Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to see why this check engine light is on a Chevy Silverado. We got a scanner hooked up here. It's the Actron Elite Auto Scanner. We're going to see why it's on and hopefully see what the code is out there. Maybe some of you out there on YouTube can help me out with what this code is. Believe that means it's got either a bad oxygen sensor or a vacuum leak. Because see, there's a like small leak detector in the evap system, which is tripping both the oxygen sensors to not register. That makes me almost guarantee that it's a vacuum leak. So tell me out there in YouTube world, what y'all think? What do you think the possibilities are on those codes and what they mean? Y'all have a great day.